Hey, Brendan.
Yeah?
What's up, Captain?
Oh, whoa. Oh, damn. Hear you.
Brendan, you gonna be able to find the crab box? Looking for him? Caught it on the upswing, whatever it is. Now we're getting a little bit of a fight. Get a little bit of a fight now. Oop. Oh yeah.
Okay, if it's a salmon, why when you get it to the surface, I'll
Oh, it's
Try to-
fighting me. It's fighting me.
try to have you.
Oh, it's a salmon. Look.
Hell yeah!
Yeah. Come on. Come on.
Okay,
come
don't
on,
lift it out of the
Captain.
water. Don't
No,
lift it.
no, I don't want.
Don't lift
I'm
it.
not trying to.
Okay.
I'm not trying to. Oh no!
You lost it.
No! God! I'm screaming like a bitch!
Now, what I want you to do is to drag it head first into my net when the time comes. Try to keep your rod tip up a little more than you are.
I have no control over this right now. Jesus Christ! God! Oh, he's taking a run. He's making a run.
Okay, that's all right. Yeah, he's down there. I see him.
You see it? Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
God, look at him.
Okay.
Look at him.
Oh, I see him down there, man. Hell yeah!
Oh!
Hell yeah,
That's a
dude!
big one. Oh, Jesus, come on. Get, here he comes, here he comes. He's coming to the surface.
Okay.
Oh,
Look at that.
look at that pretty guy. Hell yeah!
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 Oh, look how What happened to it?
He's been eaten by a seal.
Oh, man.
Yeah, baby! Yeah! Yeah! Come on, baby! There it is! Is that a king?
That is.
Yes!
That's what you caught last time too, wasn't it?
Yeah!
First.
Woo!
Yeah, you can tell
thanks
that
for the
king by
blood
the spots on the tail first.